Cris, thank you so much for joining me this evening. Would you mind telling me a little bit about your diabetes and the neuropathy that you've had?
Hi, Dr. Beckworth. Yeah, I was diagnosed with diabetes about a year ago. And doctor, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here.
Okay. And I had not seen a doctor for maybe 5 years, even prior to a year ago. I had been experiencing neuropathy in my toes, which was on average at a steady number of 5 on a scale of 10, with episodes that were higher. So once I was diagnosed with diabetes, in addition to some medications, I started a plant-based diet, and I started to feel relief almost immediately. And
So,
in
so
any
how
case, it was very rapidly.
so how many years had you been having the numbness and the pain in your feet?
It could have been 5 years
5 years. Okay.
prior to starting to turn this around with a plant-based diet. Yeah.
Gotcha. And I remember when we started, you were saying the pain on average, as you mentioned, was a 5, got up to an 8 at times.
Yes.
Then within how many weeks would you say it was doing much better?
Within 2 weeks, there was a noticeable improvement, and clearly within a month, I had clear relief. My pain was down to very little.
Yes, yeah, I think we had you at a 1.
Out of one,
I had one
perhaps.
by the 4 weeks and
Yeah.
months. So, and how is your neuropathy at this point?
At this point, I would say it's near zero, and the only reason I say near zero and not zero is because I still have uh, my toes get cold, my feet get cold. I have problem keeping them warm, and so that's not a problem when I'm working or getting about. But when I'm sitting at home watching TV, I normally keep my feet under a heating pad.
Okay, gotcha. And then also, so you started this about a year ago. How much weight did you lose with the plant-based diet?
Yes, I lost 60 pounds in less than a year.
Less than a year. And has that
Yeah,
leveled off?
yeah, I've
Okay.
leveled off at a weight that I haven't been since I was a teenager.
Okay, great. So the diabetes is under control. The
Yeah.
neuropathy is essentially gone, almost to zero, you're saying.
Yes.
Lost 60 pounds. So, um,
Yes.
overall, what is your perspective on this?
I think that yeah, with the help of the doctor like you and Dr. Johnson, we've turned the disease around in my case, and it's saving my life is what I think. And also what I think is I had learned to eat in a way that was harmful. I didn't know. I thought I was eating in a way that was healthy. Just because I didn't eat out, I still could eat in a very unhealthy way.
Sure, sure. Very good. Well, that's exciting. Thank you so much for sharing with us, and
Okay.
very much appreciate it.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Bye.